In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix downloader.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we have to check is the system type of our Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have. Simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable on the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon. And then simply double click on it. So if you haven't installed this yet, just simply click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. And if you have already installed it, just like in my case, just click on the repair button and wait for this to be repaired. Now once done, simply close it and then close the remaining windows and right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next thing that you can do is to update your Windows by clicking on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. This will check for download and install the latest updates that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs to simply update your Windows. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.